Welcome. In front of me is a TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I'll show you how we can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. You will have a flash. This pop-up allows you to capture a scrollable screenshot, share or delete the image. And as you've seen, it does disappear on its own after like a second or so. So to find your screenshot after you have taken it, you can navigate right here into your Photos application. And you can find your screenshot either in Moments, as the newest one, as you can see right here, or in Albums under Screenshots. So there we go. So anyway, that is how we can capture a screenshot on this tablet, and also where you can find that screenshot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.